Hello everyone, welcome back to the MHK Classes. MHK Classes is an educational channel. Here we daily upload a new video related to science and math. So if you are class 9th or 10th student, you must subscribe the channel. And if you get value from this video, you must like the video after watching full video. Okay. Now today we are going to a very fantastic video. In this video we are learn difference between speeds and velocity. What is the main difference between speeds and velocity? So stay tuned on the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start on the topic, and I hope you are doing well. Here we have written science for class 9. This is the topic from the chapter motion. NCERT books of class 9th. We have picked the topic from the motion chapter of class 9th. Speed, here left side we have written speeds, and right side we have written velocity. We will clear like a transparency between velocity and speed. You never be confused if you watch this video full. Okay, this watch carefully. What is speed? Speed is the distance traveled by an object in unit time. Speed is the distance. You know that what is distance? In the previous video we have already told about distance and displacement, distance and unit time. If we move from this point to this point, having some time, we get some time to move from this point to this point. The speed is the distance traveled by an object. Suppose I am an object, I travel from here to there. We get some time, and from this point to this point cover. When we get the time, the unit time means speed is the distance traveled by an object in unit time. Similarly, velocity is the speed. Velocity is included in speed. Remind it, velocity is the speed of an object in a particular direction. There is a difference between speeds and velocity. Velocity is in particular direction, but speed have no direction fixed. Speed have no direction fixed, but velocity have direction fixed. This is the difference between velocity and speed. If you have in the class and your teacher asked for a question, what is the difference between speeds and velocity, you say the difference between speed and velocity, only one difference. This is particular direction. In the speed have no direction, in velocity have direction. This is the difference between velocity and speed. Next, speeds is equal to distance upon time. The formula of speed, if we have to solve the problem related to speed, we use this formula to find the speed. Okay, you must learn this formula, is very useful in the numerical problem. Similarly, velocity's formula, velocity is denoted by small v, and the is equal to displacement upon time. This displacement is an important role to velocity. If displacement is not available, distance available, this velocity is not called velocity, it is called speed. So velocity is equal to displacement upon time. What is displacement? You know that already we have discussed about it in previous video. If you don't see, you go in the channel and found this video. Third point is SI unit of speed is equal to meter per second. This is also written meter per second like this. Similarly, SI unit of velocity meter per second and meter per second like this. Both units are same. If you have in exam, maybe question asked what is the similarity between which quantity have the same unit, SI unit. You can say speeds and velocity have same unit. Here is also meter per second, and unit of speed is also meter per second. Types of speed. Speeds are of two types because motions are of two types. If motion don't exist, speed don't exist. So speed is exist only on motion. Uniform speed and non-uniform speed. Uniform speed, what is the meaning of uniform speeds? If an object travel in equal distance in equal interval of time, that is called uniform speed. And if an object travel unequal distance in equal interval of time, that is called non-uniform speed. Similarly, velocity have two types of velocity, uniform velocity and non-uniform velocity. What is the difference between speeds and velocity? Only one difference is direction. Uniform velocity is if an object travel in equal interval of time, equal distance in equal interval of time in same direction, that is uniform velocity. But if an object travel in unequal distance in equal interval of time in different direction, that is called non-uniform velocity. We know that velocity is the change in the direction. If the velocity change, if the direction will change. Average speed is total distance divided by total time. What is average speed? Average speed means total distance covered by an object and total time taken by the object divided by total time taken by the object. That is called average speed. Okay, this is clear. Velocity is speed is a scalar quantity, velocity is a vector quantity. This is the second difference between velocity and speed. Remember it. Speed is a scalar quantity because it has only magnitude, no have specific direction. Velocity is a vector quantity because it has both magnitude and specified direction. Always positive. Speed is always positive. Yes, why speed is always positive? Because it's have no specific direction. If we go there and if you go there, always at the distance covered by an object. But can be positive, can be negative, can be zero. How? If we go from there, this is positive, and return this is zero, and again we original point we move forward backward, this is negative. Friend, there is a question of related to speeds and velocity is a numerical questions. In the base of this question asked in the exam of class 9th, speeds and velocity. This is related to speeds and velocity. We start. An object travel 4 meters from A to B. We draw this. This is A and this is B. An object. This object is moved from A to B of distance covered 4 meter. This is 4 meter distance. If he move from A to B in 10 seconds, time distance is 4 meter and time is 10 seconds, and B to A in 10 seconds. B to A, again he return from this sides and move original side. We also write this side to this side. So another distance is distance cover 4 meter and time taken 10 seconds again. What is average speeds? We know that average speed is equal to total time upon total distance upon total time. Okay, speed is equal to average speed is total distance upon total time. Total distance what will be? First distance he cover A to B 4 meter, and again he return B to A again 4 meter. Time total distance first distance is covered in 10 seconds and again 10 seconds. This will be 8 upon 20. What will be distance? 4 to the 8, 4 5 the 20 means 0.4 meter per second average speeds. And what is velocity? Velocity is meter. Velocity बराबर what? Velocity बराबर displacement upon time. Velocity upon displacement upon time. First of all, we see average displacement is equal to 10 meter from this direction. Again s1 s2 10 meter from this direction. Time t1 10 second, t1 t2 10 second. So velocity बराबर distance displacement upon time. First displacement is 10 and second displacement is opposite direction to the initial point. So we here put minus and time 10 plus 10. So this will be 0 upon 20 means velocity is equal to 0 meter per second. So you can see the difference between velocity and speed. How much difference between velocity and speed? This is the main concept of velocity and speed. So we have learned in this video difference between speeds and velocity. I hope you have understood each and every point carefully. If you don't understood, you must comment in the comment box. I try to best for explain. So be carefully, watch the full video and share the video. Thank you for watching this video.